Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create Gmail account without using verification code or your phone number. Normally when you create Gmail account, it asks of your phone number, and the phone number they will send you verification code before you can create. But I will show you how you can create Gmail account without using your phone number or verification code. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Let's start. Here, you go to your Gmail. Go to your Gmail app. Here, if you don't have, I have 4 accounts. So if you don't have account, if you have only one account, you see only one that's here. So here I'll add another one to it here. So I'll click on add another account. So I'll click on Gmail. Okay, so and it's open. Here you click on create account. You click for myself. Here you use the name you want to use. So I will use this name. Bisman. And I'll click next. Now enter date of birth. Here, make sure you are up to 14 years and above. Male. Click next. Here, I'll type Gmail. I'll put the Gmail I want to use. So I use bisman@gmail.com. So I'll click next. So you see the username has been taken. So I'll use different one. Bisman. So this is the name I will use. Good. Then I will use password. So my password is I'll click next. Here it is asking you to enter my phone number. It's asking me to enter my phone number, but in the content of this is how to create account without using your phone number. So you see on your left hand side down, you see there's a skip. You click on the skip. You click on it. Yes, so this is the account that's created. And I'll click next. I'll click agree. Yes, so it has created the account created a Gmail account. Yes, so let's check. So this is it. If you can see, this is bisman2024@gmail.com. And also there's another way. Yes, you go to Play Store. On your Play Store, you click on where the picture is on your right hand side, top corner. You click, and you click on the arrow. See the arrow on your right hand side corner. You click. It's actually add account. So I'm adding another account, or I'm creating another account. create another account. So I'll go to create account myself. I'll use, which name should I use? Blog. I'll use blog. Date of birth. Nineteen 99. I'll choose gender. I'll choose next. Yeah, you can choose any. So let me create. You can choose the first one, second, or you can create. So let me create. So here I'll create blogger 24 at gmail.com. It says someone has already taken. So blogger. Okay, let me use this. Okay, then let me choose, because it says all what I use someone has taken. So I will choose. I'll go to next. I'll type my password. I'll type my password. I'll type my password. Here, 6. Next. Yes. This is how you can create Gmail account without using your phone number. This is how you can create your Gmail account without using your phone number. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Let's check whether it has come. So you go to Gmail and check. You see, it's here. There is it. So this is how you can create your Gmail account without using your personal. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.